Most people get this wrong. They think Loan Rush is just another payday advance app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Loan Rush has grown into a full-featured financial platform, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and spending insights to help you manage your money smarter. Here's how it works. Loan Rush allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. Additionally, Loan Rush provides installment options for eligible purchases, making budgeting easier and more predictable. The app also offers a dashboard that tracks advances, upcoming payments, and spending trends. Notifications and reminders keep you on top of repayments, helping you avoid late fees and maintain good financial habits. The downside, overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances, missed payments, or depending too heavily on Loan Rush can result in fees that add up quickly. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment plans you can repay. 2. Enable alerts for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to limit reliance on Loan Rush. Who benefits most? People with a steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find the fees outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, Loan Rush in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track payments, plan ahead, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical financial advice to stay in control of your money.